Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Acura MDX garage door opener. First, let's clear any existing programming. Turn on your vehicle's ignition. Then, locate the Home Link buttons, usually found on the overhead console. Press and hold the two outside buttons for approximately 10 to 20 seconds until the indicator light above them begins to flash rapidly. This action erases all previous codes, preparing the system for new programming. Next, we'll program a Home Link button using your handheld garage door remote. Park your MDX close to the garage. Hold your remote 1 to 3 inches away from the Home Link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the chosen Home Link button and your garage door remote button. Continue holding until the Home Link indicator light changes from a slow orange flash to a rapid green flash, then release. Many modern garage door openers use rolling code technology, requiring an extra step. After programming with your remote, locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor, typically on the ceiling unit. Press and release this button. Immediately return to your MDX. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the Home Link button you just programmed for about 2 seconds. Repeat this 2 or 3 times until the garage door responds. Now it's time to test your newly programmed Home Link button. Press the button you programmed and observe if your garage door opens or closes. If it doesn't work, try repeating the entire programming process, ensuring your remote is very close to the Home Link buttons. For persistent issues, consult your garage door opener's owner's manual for any unique rolling code instructions or specific timing requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.